When can last convince you what you see is real? Who am I to blame you for the what you feel? I was always reaching, you were just a girl I knew. I took for granted the feeling I have in you. I was living for